Arthur broke into Carrefour. And there were these boxes.
A whole pallet, a pallet.
A whole pallet, what do you call it? Mystery boxes for 50 zlotys a box with items inside worth 160. That's what happened last episode. We're now opening, testing, and checking if it's worth it. After this, go back and watch episode 1 because it turns out, Artsy, it was worth it.
Not like that. Oh, damn, man.
Hey, it's about that again.
Cool, there will be food. I haven't eaten well.
Hey, that's the one from that good place. I see that a few things have repeated from the previous box, but I think the stuff is worse than last time, isn't it? I think it was Mediterranean herb flavored, okay, because we're naked. As you can see, this is the second episode where we're saying we're working on our merch. It's going to be awesome because it's going to be creative and we'll have it soon. Velcro patches, all kinds, awesome badges. Oh, there will be about 15. Different ones. It's our brilliant idea too.
What do you have? What do you have?
A smiling dumpling, and I have, well, peel it off, very nice. I have this sign. Damn, problem solved, swept under the rug, and it's fine, not Arthur. As usual, choose what we start the drink with.
Please, because I want to rinse my mouth with popping bubble tea.
Strawberry. There's no ball, none.
It didn't go in, it did. Something popped.
It smells like tea. A rose night in a bag.
Well, actually, now that you said it, I can feel it. Oh, damn. When I wade in it like this, it's like a thin jelly.
All right, there are small balls here. Give me the spoon. Let's try it so we know. It's just bubble tea.
That could be fun for kids.
So it leaves a strong skin like grapes.
But I don't think that's bad.
I wanted to make a face at first because I thought it was water, but there's a note of tea.
But there isn't much bubble tea or many pearls.
Yeah, everything at the bottom is weird, interesting. Maybe if you tilt the cup.
Yeah, cameras. There are still so few of them. Well, that's 6, 8, 10. Listen, overall there are.
I didn't have a single one.
It's not terrible, but I wouldn't buy it. How much is it?
12 zlotys without a penny. Oh no, that's not for 03, so count 36 zlotys.
No, that's a lot overall.
From a distance, it's like Ferrero is written there. No.
They look nice.
Well, please go ahead.
Kamachuga?
But for now, hey, for now it looks promising.
It doesn't smell average.
And to me, it smells like really good chocolate. It's a waste of calories.
Poor Koreans.
Very flat, the stick is drier, more floury. Don't buy this product, I'll tell you why I think so, because it's such a small package, and here we've eaten 2. No. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, there are 9 sticks here. Adding so much chocolate, loading it with calories, but not getting that melt in your mouth effect or any flavor is just disappointing.
Listen, it's much better to just take some milk chocolate of better quality and just put it in your mouth next to a stick, preferably a salted one. I'm curious how much this costs.
Because I think I'm saying 6 zlotys, well, okay, but 60 groszy. 1 stick.
I mean, if you buy 1 bar of chocolate and 1 pack of sticks, you probably get about 6 servings out of it, you know?
What's that? I think I'd like us to be able to compare. I still can't get used to these chocolates, that they're milk chocolate, because this is milk chocolate. With pistachios from the first harvest, I had no idea there was such a thing as first harvest pistachios. I'm just finding out now.
Last episode, I think we had 2 or 3 products.
Well, listen, it sounded expensive, and the cocoa mass is 30%, pistachios 18.
But the cubes look nice. That's an idea for a cube.
But look,
It's probably just a regular worn-out cube, not even that fancy.
the worst part is you have to eat this one and that one, because they're already touched. No.
Well, I'm curious how you'll break it, how it's going to break, so go ahead and break it.
But gently. Hey, that's cool. Oh, damn, it's going to be good. That's just... Oh, my mouth is already watering.
I've never seen this many pistachios in a product before.
Hey, this is chocolate with a window, but
What I wanted to say,
the pistachio is well pressed,
chocolate with a window.
but it has a beautiful roasted aroma, and that's it.
I don't know if the chocolate is really amazing. It's good, but those pistachios do the job.
Brilliant chocolate.
Great that there are so many pistachios.
It costs 9 zlotys.
Well, I'll tell you, Klamerku, I'd try it because I'm tempted by it, this kili.
So let's open it, Keely, where it's tempting. These are decorative balls with blueberry juice. They're balls, let's call them for decoration. These are like bubble tea, just without the water, but nice pearls under the light.
Someone specifically put this package in so that the bubbles are here, and that one wasn't there either.
That's how it turned out. Will they float or sink? Kuba, are they floating or sinking? Archie, swim.
Sink, I'll tell you, that's intense.
But you decorated it, Archie. Let's see if it makes sense. Please taste it, sir. This is some kind of grape, man. No, a berry. It's not bad, it's not good. Very watered down. Damn, kids get excited about this.
But why is the color so artificial too? Nothing's happening here.
This is some hopeless flavor like caramel.
I'm not sure what to think. I don't know much about this and haven't had bubble tea before. This is one of my first times trying it.
I lost 7 zlotys. All right, listen. Baklava in this kind of packaging, Turkish dessert made from puff pastry with walnuts. It's pretty nice.
Well, I'll tell you, that's a heavy dessert.
This piece costs 6 zlotys, which means a kilogram costs 150 zlotys of this. It's not shit, but damn, it smells old. You can't get rid of that rancid oil taste. It's just spoiled. Ugh, what a crappy product. It's awful. And the fact that you ate it, I kind of admire you. So Archie, are we taking it? Do you often buy beef jerky when you travel?
Yeah, it's dry.
It's dry, but I don't mind it.
Yeah, because when I took some, they were in a gel-like consistency.
Shishu would never eat this calmly, but I don't mind.
Because it's dry.
Well, I wouldn't buy this product. I know you're already a user. Squid Game energy drink melon. All right.
I'm going to get a glass. Damn.
Do you like the smell of melon? I like the smell of mango when there are mango drinks.
I really like it, you're right.
And melon is kind of soapy to me, a bit like soap suds.
But it's strong, the smell of melon.
It has a strong melon smell, which I dislike. To me, it tastes like I'm licking soap.
Yeah, it's weak.
Like I didn't rinse the glass. If you like melon, it's Melanie, that's me. Here's what we'll do, Arctic. Pour the soup, and in the meantime, while we do that, because we'll call the guys, I'm taking out Archer, green tea. I think that's enough for us. And the coating is always weak.
We know that the consistency is not for us.
Anyone who has eaten mochi knows you either like it or not. This is some kind of product, I don't know. This is some kind of product.
But how many types do they have?
Don't be mad, I just wanted something with a pot to buy. Please help me out.
And the person who's buying you is already offended.
But why? I said don't be mad at me, so what's the point? Without filling, it has no taste, it's just rice flour. Take a piece without filling.
No, because I ate the middle first, then the end, and I'll tell you.
That it's just some rice flour. Starch, just make some starch and eat it.
It's like this tasteless goo.
All right, we have the chip left and we're cooking. What even are protein chips? Another pointless product, they're good, they taste burnt. Oh shit, now the spiciness kicks in.
Maybe it's just healthier than regular chips, but what's the point?
17 zloty. This product is pointless, I don't like it. You're the master of these soups.
I'm not a master of anything.
Well, the point is that I like it, well, you like it, damn.
Like when you go somewhere on a trip.
But it's not about the Chinese stuff, it's just that you like things like that. Just tomatoes, because at first we thought it was pepper, and it looked like hot pepper, but it's just tomatoes.
So it's tomato soup. Samyang is rich.
Hey man.
Look, noodles, sauce. Step 2.
Cut.
Stop. Step 3 and step 1.
310 meters of water, yes, well, that will be it.
And cook for 4 minutes, stirring often. Okay, but don't throw away the flexes. Throw away the flexes. Oh fuck, tomatoes.
Oh fuck, tomato flakes.
Yeah, it'll be tomato. After these 4 minutes, we need to take it off the heat, then add the sauce and powder and mix until the pasta evenly absorbs the sauce. Enjoy, guys, that's a nice tomato sauce. Look.
It's pouring here.
So we pour it in, and then the powder. All right, there's still this one here.
We'll manage.
Oh wow, all of that just for this.
Yes.
Not tomato.
Definitely tomato.
But hey, no, that's ours.
It's claimed, plus that aroma.
Our soup is soup, all right?
This is weak.
Cooking. Throwing in 3 bags? Honestly, regular tomato soup is better. In my opinion, it's tastier. Nothing special.
Well, it's like my running, 14 hats, 2 flashlights.
6.
I'm putting on my shoes to run 3 kilometers. It felt like trying to make a restaurant dish, but ending up with worse soup than ever. It looked cool at the very beginning, but for 50 bucks, not great. Yeah, oh, I only have one thing.
But that's what I think. Kramer, after all, we're talking about prices. A chocolate bar costs 13 zlotys, 12, 10. And here we have 13 products for 50 bucks, so I think it's worth buying anyway.
You provided help?
Bring the cutlery.
Listen, these are quick shots. Yes, we hope these are quick shots. We're filming here.
Oh Jesus, this is my favorite. I know it'll be good.
But this looks nice.
Strawberry, nice little compote. A bit artificial, but sweet.
Very.
Nice.
Well, damn, so tall.
But what flavor do you taste?
Cold.
Cold.
And how do you taste it? Turbo gum tastes.
So maybe Turbo Gum, maybe Guratango had it. I don't know. Maybe there was a peach flavor production.
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
But it's weird. Yeah, you're right.
There were some gums, like those were candy gums. Hey, Smurf.
When you opened those plastic ones, they smelled good.
Because I laughed at it?
A bit soapy and so on.
Melon, the taste of melon.
Makoa, watermelon. All in all, I guess.
To be. Listen, since we're here, because these are quick shots, let's go.
Now it's about to start.
So it's about to start.
Well, it looks like a berry.
What kind of berries Blueberry gave us here?
You would buy jam in balls first? Yes, jam. And these are also quick shots.
Here you go.
Turkish bacteria, again strong.
Sometimes the French one doesn't work. Well, I already thanked.
Well, you told me about it.
But don't you feel though that it's kind of stale because we checked it first when we ate it? Well, still, that something's not right.
I wouldn't buy it.
I like baklava, just not this store-bought kind.
All right, let's move on.
And these gummies, the bubbles they invented.
We already ate them, just the inside.
Exactly.
It's strange because it's a shame to throw away the inside, but it's built up.
I'm not really that strong at all.
So gentlemen, are you going to buy the next product of this, maybe even for iron?
No, that's beer.
Not beer, so you can do the first and third.
Oh, whoa. I'm riding on the horse.
I won't bite this.
Then chew, but be careful not to hurt your tooth, because later, okay.
No, okay, no.
No, man, you can't just tear that piece off.
But that's a dumlop, that's a blopona.
It's different, like beef jerky, like when you're in Pennsylvania riding a horse, you pull it out like this.
You have to have a lasso like that.
I guess in Poland you can also eat on a horse.
Yes, that's true.
But there you chew those jerkies, but I have to tell you, those jerkies, this is really for those Lucky Lukes of the Wild West. I don't feel like a Lucky Luke. I'm not gonna eat that.
So maybe just the chip,
For sure, it's gonna be crunchy.
Crunchy.
Iatalot, Krzysiu.
No, these snacks are too crunchy.
They're actually too good.
Dubai style, I would say,
You really noticed, yes, they actually look like snacks for Trupp.
Are you waiting?
not from the start since I came here.
Well, you know, gentlemen,
But honestly, I don't think I understood a word of the whole race.
German with a little sign.
Tasty. I think the chocolate tastes like caramel.
What do you feel inside?
Nuts?
it's good. I'll take it like that. Have you ever seen stations on television? Yeah, whole pistachios, just whole.
If you told me it cost 35 zlotys, I'd say,
Like he was searching for a thought?
if you said a breadstick and thoughts. A finger, the most ordinary one, got lost. He's really handing back your tests. And he already knows he's going to be lucky. He'll get a 2, a breadstick. He knew he wasn't prepared, so he would answer. And chocolate is sitting together at the desk. Whether I'm wondering, or if I'm wondering,
It surprises me.
and both of you sit on it together.
All right, gentlemen, we saved this for last since you're likely hungry.
You'll each get a fork and a spoon.
First, the pasta. No, it's not spicy, it's just tomatoes.
La pomidoro?
But do you taste the tomato? I do, but okay, you haven't eaten yet.
I taste it, okay? Each of you take a sip from a different side, I'll tell you now.
That I don't taste it.
Then try again because it's pasta.
A different tomato, I'm serious, I'm telling you.
You ate the pasta, now will you try the tomatoes?
Pizza-like, kind of.
And a bit like pizza, actually.
Well, with that kind of tomato sauce.
You know, when the tomato gets all mushy.
Those bubbles, in my opinion, were fine. I like the taste.
It was cool, but from the previous episode, because we had 3 products left over.
The chocolate was good too. The rest was so-so. Not by force.
So it's just a marketing trick. Yeah, it's smiling at us, someone falls for it and buys it. How many people will take that? See some kind of jelly, those Angel Harry, 35 zlotys for that, the main one for 5. It's not a waste as a form of a party. Watch the previous episode if you enjoyed it. We can search for such packages online, but comment if you want that. We don't want to use excessive effort for a small task. If you say, hey guys, it's better to buy what I can get daily at Biedronka than something unusual, that's it.
Because this is a Polish product, not some foreign stuff. And
Let's get out of here.
Not hello.